Good morning, good morning, good morning, and thank you for watching this video. This is to let you know that on Friday, December 1st, we will be going on a field trip to IKEA Coquitlam. We will meet at the cafeteria at 12:25. You will work in groups of 4 or 5, and you will be working on a scavenger hunt. To do this next week, we are going to learn about furniture. I've got this handout for you that we are going to study together very, very slowly because we have plenty of time. So here you have a furniture vocabulary list with all the vocabulary that you need to understand IKEA. Then, on the day of the field trip, we will be working on a scavenger hunt. And a scavenger hunt means you will look for some things at the store. Let me show you the activity. There is a reading and a listening. Some words for you to translate into your language. Some questions about the reading. And then a hunting. You will need to look for different things. For example, find an item starting with letter A. A for armchair. Find an item starting with letter T. For example, a tea light. C, P, and L. Then, go to the kitchen section. Find 10 things, 10 items they sell, and write their prices. Same with the bathroom, same with the office, same with the food, and with the bedroom section. Then, there are some general questions. What is the most expensive sofa? Write the name of the sofa and how much it is. What is the cheapest sofa? What is the most expensive kitchen table? And the cheapest. Write the name of a living plant. How much is it? You know, IKEA also sells plants and small trees, bonsais. So you write the name here and the price. Then, in this section of the work, you see some pictures of a wireless speaker, light bulb, fridge, faucet, soap dispenser, mirror, salmon, ottoman, and reading lamp. Write the names next to each picture, the prices, and the location. In the label, where it says the price in the IKEA products, there is a letter, for example, Z, and a place, for example, 3. So when you go to the collection area, you can find the flat pack article and bring it to the till to pay what you own. So you will need to look for these items and write their prices. And at the end, there is a section for you to write your impressions and evaluation. Did you like the field trip? Yes, not. What did you learn? What did you like? What did you enjoy? Etc., etc. So, watch this video a few times and understand what you have to do. We will be talking more in class and also during the field trip. Remember, December 1st, 12:30 at the cafeteria of IKEA. Bye-bye now. Enjoy your day.